Welcome back to the Car Groves channel, and today we're going to knock out the lower quarter panel rust on the Cougar. Let's get started. I decided to start working on the quarter panel here, and I cut out on the fender, I have a spare front fender. On this fender, it has the body line I need, which is this curvy spot right here. That would be really hard for me to make here in the shop. So I've cut this out, and then I just cleaned up this inner wheel well, hit it with some rust inhibitor, and I'm gonna tack it on and then take a look, kind of see where we're at and go from there. All right, so we cut this patch panel off this fender, and part of the problem with it was it was almost the right size. I've got a sliver right here, a sliver right here, and a chunk right here that weren't, oh, and right here. So I got some stuff on the edge to fill in, and the reason that happened was, again, we only had so much to work with, but the main reason this is missing is, let's see here if I can put it on there. This is how it came off the panel. And as you can see, this body line and this body line don't match. So I'm gonna have to reshape this. It needs to go on something like this. That looks way better. All right, so that's what I'm working on today. I gotta reshape this, weld it in. I wanna get the whole thing welded in fully, sanded down. I think it's gonna need maybe a slick a bondo right here because these two body lines meet and the curve's not perfect. It's close, it needs just a little bit. All right, let's get started. I ended up cutting into two different slices, and I put this patch in, then I put that patch in. Let's see what else we did. Fill the little gap right here. Over here, we put this patch in right here. So the next thing I have to do, I gotta take the tire off, and then right here, I gotta cut this rusty lip out, weld in a new lip, and then bridge that gap right there, and then we'll be done with this quarter panel patch. All right, so I tacked on a little lip right here that came off the fender. It was super easy. I didn't shoot and film with that. Now I have this kind of complex patch. It's got a little bit of a curve in it there, a little curve here. And so what I did was I taped completely over the joint, And then I cut the tape out with a razor blade and put that over what I thought was close to a patch. And now I'm just gonna trim this and we'll see how close we are. All right, here it is. Not bad. I mean, it's definitely not the most perfect patch, but it's way, way better than what we started with. And we were able to use the extra fender that I don't need and make the patch panel, which saved us some money and kind of goes with the theme of the car. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. Stay tuned, because here in just a couple of days, I will introduce you guys to the parts car I picked up. And we are going to move from the quarter panel to the trunk and try to repair the trunk, which is in really, really bad shape. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out.